Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Om Fashion. I'm here with yet another designer blouse with decorative lace, stones and patchwork which can be worn on special occasions. So let's get started. As you can see, I have two different silk fabrics. I will be using dark color fabric at the center highlighting the neckline and a light color fabric on either sides matching the neckline curves. I have drafted the measurement onto a chart for the back part. Let's have a look. Neck width is 3 inches. Shoulder width is 6.5 inches. Armhole length is 6 inches. Half inch shoulder slope. This marking is done on the single folded chart paper. Now midpoint of the armhole is 3 inches, half of 6. Draw a freehand back armhole curve from this point, half inch away from the corner. As mentioned earlier, this is the draft for the back part. Neck depth is 10 inches. Neck width 3 inches. Please ignore the written measurement of neck width 3.5 inches. It's 3 inches only. Chest is 40 inches. I have added 4, so 44. 1/4 of 44 is 11 inches plus 2 inch for loosening purpose. Waist is 34 inches. 1/4 of 34 is 8.5 and 2 inches for loosening purpose. And the full length of the blouse is 16. That's 15 plus 1. Now back dart length is 3.5 inches. Half inch dart width either sides. Draw a semi U-shaped neck. I would be giving different shape to the other half. I'll show it later. Draw a second curve at the distance of 1.5 inches parallel to the neckline. On reaching the corner, gradually draw the curve outwards this way, meeting the bottom line at the distance of 4 inches from the center this way. Now let me show you the other half. This curve we have already drawn. Now from this point, draw a tilted line of 1 inch. Then continue to draw a similar curve this way. As only the other half of the neck is different, rest of the draft can be used as it is while cutting. Let's cut as marked. Shoulder slope. This is the top layer piece. Then the neck part. Now cutting is done. These are the 3 cutouts of the blouse. I'm going to use cream silk fabric here and maroon at the center. Please retain these pieces as they would come in handy later. Let's mark the outline of the center part onto the dark color fabric on reverse side, that's maroon color, and mark seam allowance of 1/2 inch all around. Then cut as marked. Center part's cutting is done. Next we will mark the outline of these pieces. As we need 2 of these with linings, place it on the folded silk fabric, top of folded linings along with allowance of 1/2 inch on wrong side. Let's cut as per the mark. We will attach lining to the dark fabric and mark outline of the neck part. Now stitch along the markings. Cut as per the shape, leaving 1/4 inch. Give slits all around the neck. Now flip the lining inwards this way. Fold the lining neatly inwards. Retain the shape. Pin it up. Give it a top stitch all along the neckline to give a neat finish. Remove pins. Now mark the bottom line. The bottom portion has to be concealed, so place lining and silk fabric right on right side and stitch them together. flip it inside out. Then give it a top stitch this way. The edges may be left open as it would be concealed by top layers. Mark the outline to attach side layers on reverse side of the neck part. Now trace the outline on the reverse side of the top layer, that's cream silk fabric with lining, then stitch as per the mark. Give slits. Flip it inside out. Do the same with the other layer. I will be attaching this decorative lace along the edges of both the top layers. Stone lace along the neckline. Hangings to the dories. Then this designed patch at the bottom center of the neck. It's time to give top stitch on both the layers. I have both the layers ready here. Mark the outline, then attach the layer by securing it with some pins and sew. Marking is done. Now we'll fix layers as per the marking. This way. We'll pin it up. Secure it with some pins and sew. Start sewing from the top end. Do the same with the other layer. Both the layers have been attached. Now I'm gonna use decorative lace. At the edge of the top layers. Start sewing from one end to the other end. stitch along both the edges. Do the same with the other side. Laces have been attached. You may leave it as it is, or to give a better look, add a piece of lace in center. I have attached. Now I'm going to stick stone lace along the neckline using fabric glue. It has been attached. I have also added decorative patch at the center by machine stitch. I believe trimming off the corners would give it a more elegant look. I have just cut it for now and I will stitch it later. Fold it inwards like this. Give slits at the corners like this. Now I will attach hangings to the ready-made dory. Open strands of dory should be glued together and secure the hangings to the dory by giving hand stitch. Dories are ready. Attach here. Designer blouse is completed. Now even you can try to make this beautiful designer blouse yourself. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Bye bye.